There are people like me who didn't even think of being in Cardiff, but with their help, I was able to be here and study my master's. And it will create like a ripple effect. You might never know, like, who will I help in the future? Maybe I can be in their shoes. I can be helping someone else be in the same position that I am in. My name is Godla Kamani Bugera. I'm from Tanzania. It's a country which is from the east side of Africa, in a city called Dar es Salaam. I've been doing my postgraduate in clinical optometry. I just feel like it's a joy of someone regaining their vision and someone to be able to see again. That thing gave me some type of joy that I had to pursue my master's for it. So I just wanted to specialize in pediatrics so as I can help them to regain their vision so as they can prosper in their life.
Well, I originally come from Tanzania. So I always felt uneasy about not going back to Tanzania to give something back in return. I came in 68 to 71 to do civil engineering in Cardiff University. I've been very fortunate. Civil engineering opened up quite a lot for me. It helped me tremendously.
I felt joy when I got the news that I received the Fanaka scholarship, because I was supposed to come to do my postgrad the year before the one that I came, but because we had some financial issues back home, I just had to postpone.
The way I thought of it was that there are a lot of people qualified enough to come to Western countries, to UK for example, but they do not have resources there. And by helping them a little bit, they can have that push to broaden their horizon.
The plan was, for me doing my postgrad, was to go back home and work because there was issues with pediatric that I've observed when I was working back home. But also there is no a university for undergrad in optometry. And I thought with this master's that I've got, maybe I can contribute something to the teaching staffs or the university back home.
That makes me feel very, very proud to feel that he's going back and he's going to teach other youngsters and so on. That's great, you know. Well, I only hope that other people do what my wife and myself have done. Donate some money, hopefully educate people in underdeveloped countries, and that it does what I had in mind. And looking at good luck, I think it will. I think it will.